Yeah, that's right. We're gonna back things up. We're gonna look at sailing backwards. Yes, you've guessed it, it's Joe here for Joyrider TV, and today we are going to look at sailing the catamaran backwards. Why would you want to sail your catamaran backwards? Well, the first reason might be if you're coming in to a lee shore, so if the wind is onshore, quite strong, and you don't want to have to drop your mainsail, then a good way of approaching the beach might be backwards. Perhaps you're leaving a beach with an offshore wind, then getting away from the beach, sailing backwards might be a very good option rather than having to turn your boat around. In the test here where we're doing a speed test, we go to quite an extreme of getting what you could argue is too far forwards on the bow of the boat to get the maximum speed. You don't have to go this far forwards. Let's get into it and let's see how fast we can take this Hobie 16 backwards. Yeah, so today I'm going to be sailing with Ender. Hey. He's one of the dudes here at Wild Wind. Oh yeah! Woohoo! That's how Marco likes to cook his chicken. Got me on the boat. Yeah, just so we don't go over backwards. Yeah, you don't have to go too ridiculous just yet, but in fact I might just tack to get the other one. Be a bit yeah, so just yeah, you can leave the jib fairly loose, but just stay well forwards. Are you forwards? Okay, this is going to be great. Right, second rudder going up. Okay, so what we're doing is I'm putting the rudders up first. If you come on this side a sec, dude. We're putting the, whoa! Ender's running some slippery shoes there. just going to make sure this rudder is up properly. Okay, so the rudders are up. I'm just pulling the main sheet a bit to get us to go into the wind. Although we are going backwards already, so I'm going to get on my bow position as well. And we're off. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Alrighty. Yeah, so this is how you go backwards. We're just turning a bit. I think we'll get a bit of speed on here. How you doing, Ender? All right, you take the jib now and backwind it. That should turn us back the other way a bit. Oh yeah, sink your bow, that'll do it. So, because the bows on the catamaran are quite long, it means that the boat will hold a pretty straight course going backwards. Let's just see what sort of speed we're doing here. Yeah, so we're getting some good distance on the backwards here. Absolutely lovely. Just starting the GPS again. Oh, yeah, okay. Oh no, you're all right. Okay, I'll take it. Oh, now we're getting a bit of pace up. Oh, back to you. I wasn't backwinding it quite as well. That was 7 knots there. Oh yeah, she's moaning. We've got her humming. Ender is definitely the jib operator to have on your boat when going backwards. Like, oh, we've stopped. Oh, it's a wave. Let's get her surfing a wave backwards. So if the boat turns that way, I need to sink this bow a bit more. the boat turns that way, Ender needs to sink his and I need to come back a little bit. Oh, we've hit 7 knots. Right, maybe we're popping too much of a... Whoa. Right, yeah, you can let go. I reckon we should probably engage forwards gear again. So to get it going forwards, we're just going to run to the back. Rudders are going down. Let's get this bad boy down. Oh. There we go. The rudders are down. Woo! Wicked. Okay, so there we go. We hit. I think top speed there was 8 knots. Now that is giving it the beans backwards, I think you'll find. So sailing backwards can be very useful. Thanks for watching. I hope you've had a lot of fun watching this. We're now going to go and give it the beans. Thank you, Joyrider TV.